G'day One World Flyer Squad, welcome to my Thursday trip report, and if you're new to my channel, a very warm welcome to you. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell buttons so you don't miss out on a new video which comes out every Thursday 12 PM Hong Kong time. Today I'm flying Jetstar A320 from Melbourne to Adelaide. The reason I'm flying Jetstar today is because I don't have any checked-in baggage and the ticket price is very cheap at $59. So I'm going to try out Jetstar Australia for the very first time. Jetstar, along with a handful of other low-cost carriers, use Terminal 4 at Melbourne Tullamarine Airport. It is a new low-cost terminal for low-cost carriers. The terminal isn't busy at all. There was no queue for the self-checking kiosk for Jetstar, and I used one of them to print out my boarding pass, which is surprisingly not black and white considering Jetstar is a low-cost airline. Jetstar parent airline Qantas operates from Melbourne Terminal 1 and 2. As I'm their gold frequent flyer and flying their little kid Jetstar today, I can use the new Qantas Club in Terminal 1. Walking from Terminal 4 to Terminal 1 takes around 10 minutes, and you'll walk past Terminal 2 and 3 on the way. The Qantas terminal is even quieter. It took me 2 milliseconds to pass through the security. Qantas has 2 lounges inside the domestic terminal. When flying Jetstar, Qantas Gold can use the Qantas Club, Qantas Platinum can use the business class lounge. Unfortunately, One World frequent flyers have no access when flying Jetstar.
Hello, mate. How you doing?
Okay, thanks. How are you?
Good. Jaden, you're over 18, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm 19.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. The Qantas Club is very quiet right now. It's 4:30 in the morning, by the way. This is the stunningly beautiful buffet area. Unfortunately, again, it's too early for hot breakfast and there's only fruit and yogurt right now. Thank you very much. So here's my breakfast, and thankfully the coffee station is already opened. Qantas Club has a few shower rooms. It doesn't look very great, but it's certainly much better than the old ones. My Jetstar flight boards at 5:40 in Terminal 4, so I didn't stay long in the Qantas Club. So now I'm back in Terminal 4, just been through security. It's actually quite nice in here, and now I'm going to show you around.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Jetstar A320.
There are plenty of seats with charging outlets and stores and eateries that are already opened for business. JQ780 to Adelaide is departing from Gate 51 today, and it's a 7-minute walk from the food court and shopping area.
Through to Adelaide is now boarding at gate 51. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Baxter.
Our aircraft today is a 14-year-old Jetstar A320-200 VH-VQM.
On the aisle on the right, thank you. Morning. Thank you, Jaden. Window on the left, thanks.
My seat today is 17A. Jetstar A320 Economy class is in a standard 3-3 configuration. Every seat has a seat pitch of around 29 inches and seat width of around 18 inches. Although 29 inches of legroom sounds very little, the amount of leg space was really good. In fact, I think it's better than Qantas and American Airlines 737 because the seat pocket is located in front of your face rather than your knees. The tray table is not foldable, but you can move it back and forth. There's a reading light and aircon switch for everybody. You can recline your seat, but the angle is quite limited. However, the leg room makes up for it.
Are clear behind you. Please place your large bag wheels first into the overhead locker and any smaller items underneath the seat in front of you. This does include handbags and backpacks. If you're at the exit rows of 1, 12 or 13, please place all your belongings in the overhead lockers. Once again, just those larger bags in the overhead lockers, the smaller ones underneath the seat in front of you. Welcome aboard Jetstar flight JQ780 through to Adelaide.
Inside the seat pocket, you have a menu card, a Jetstar magazine, a safety card, and an air sickness bag. Here's a quick look at the menu. I'll buy the very first item, which is the chicken pesto, later on. You can't order anything on those 2 pages as it's only for international flights.
While we take you through the safety requirements for our Airbus A320. Your crew are highly trained to help keep you safe, so make sure you listen to and follow their instructions. As we get underway,
familiar with the Airbus A320, there are 3 toilets on board, 1 at the front of the cabin and 2 at the rear. All toilets are fitted with baby change tables. In a few minutes, the crew will be commencing the in-flight service. Firstly, we'll be distributing all pre-purchased meals. For more information about pre-purchasing a meal, visit jetstar.com. Before the crew move through the cabin for service, please take a moment to look at the food, beverages and gifts available for purchase. The menu is in your seat pocket. On this morning's flight, you'll be able to pay for your in-flight items by Visa, MasterCard, American Express and Visa or MasterCard debit. There is no service fee applied by Jetstar for in-flight purchases. We are a cashless cabin and accept credit card only. Jetstar reserves the right to limit the amount of alcohol that may be consumed on this flight, and the consumption of your own alcohol, including duty-free, is strictly prohibited. And a reminder that smoking and the use of e-cigarettes movements in any part of the aircraft is an offence under Australian law. Failure to comply may result in substantial fines. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are giving you the chance to win 1 million Qantas points, which could take you and a friend around the world first class. Or you could win a brand new Holden Astra and instant cash prizes with our gift cards. The gift cards will be available for purchase for $5 from the service cards. Please now sit back and enjoy your Jetstar flight. Once again, if there is anything that the crew can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask.
So a very quick lavatory tour. It's quite spacious, it's not tiny like the 737. It's quite clean right now because we've just departed. For a low-cost carrier, it's really nice, everything's well stocked. There's AC here, and of course a coat hook here, and a toilet itself. The cabin crew have just started the meal service, and from an observation, about half of the passengers on board made a purchase.
Are there any snacks to go with that at all today? I think that's $4.06. And do you need me to email you a receipt?
My neighbour ordered a coffee for $4 and my chicken pesto is $10, and I think it's pretty tasty and reasonably priced.
In the next few minutes, we will commence descent into Adelaide. This morning we're landing towards the northeast and touching down a little earlier than scheduled, 25 minutes past 7. Right now the time just clocked over to 7 a.m. Weather is good for the arrival and forecast for good weather all day, in fact. Right now 18 degrees and a light northwesterly breeze. Please skies. Thanks for joining us this morning. We hope you enjoyed the flight and wish you a very pleasant stay in Adelaide. Thank you. Good morning.
We're about to land into my second home, Adelaide, so let's conclude this short trip with Jetstar right here, right now. Firstly, my ticket is really cheap at $59, so I really would not have anything to complain if Jetstar can bring me safely from point A to point B. Anyhow, at Tullamarine Airport, I was able to use the Qantas Club with my Qantas Gold card, and that was fabulous considering I paid so little. I think the lounge access itself might as well cost around $59. Once on board, the seat was very comfortable for a short flight. Unfortunately, no headrest and limited recline, but there's a great amount of leg space to move your legs around. The food on board was reasonably priced and the chicken pesto was really good. The cabin crew on board worked very quickly and efficiently on this 50 minutes flight. There's not a whole lot of personal interaction because that's expected, as A, the flight is full, B, the duration is short, and C, it's a low-cost airline. Nonetheless, they welcomed everybody during boarding and had a smile on their face, so I think they did a really good job. Overall, I think I got more than what I paid for. So thanks a lot for watching this Jetstar trip report, and here we are, One World Fly Squad. Share your journey with me with this hashtag, and please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And it's never too late to subscribe now if you haven't done so. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Thursday 12 PM Hong Kong time, Thursday 2 PM Melbourne time, or Thursday 1:30 PM Adelaide time. See ya.
to Adelaide, local time 7:25. If you can reach your phone without unfastening your seatbelt, you may now switch on your mobile phone should you wish to use it. Mobile phones may not be used on the tarmac. All other electronic devices will need to remain switched off until you are well inside the terminal.
Have a crew just outdoors, thank you.